We got it. It's a dump truck. Dump truck is flipped. Rainy day, y'all. Trying to figure out which dock I gotta go to. Engine idle, performing shutdown. So yeah, greetings. Your boy Lando, and I am the Mando. Welcome. It's the Saturday edition. Come here to grab a load, pick up this load, and go drop it off. So I drop this load off. Grab me another trailer, then I'm headed home because I have a pickup in Opelika, Florida, Opelika, Miami. Tuesday morning. I'm gonna chill Monday, relax. I guess I work Tuesday to Saturday, huh? But yeah, greetings, y'all. Make sure y'all be great. But we're gonna tap in a second once I figure out where I gotta park. Cause these people here, man, they don't know where to tell me where to go. But shout out to Amazon though for having all this technology that don't work. Yeah, these people like you. All right. See, I was about to get off. You go to Amazon, right? You pull up to the gate. All right, cut off. I'm gonna let it shut off. You pull up to the gate. There's somebody somewhere talking to you on the little computer thing. But once you tell them where you're going, they still don't know where you're going. They tell you to go wait. Now you gotta get out and go inside and get assistance. What's the point of having you? Make that clear to me. Make it make sense to me, please. But yeah, it's your boy Lando, man. That's it. Quick little vent. We're gonna tap in. We driving home today though. You know what I mean? Yeah. Oh. 2-lane road. I can't turn around. There's nowhere to turn around. Road blocked. It's a long road to turn around. I literally have to back up all the way, and his car is behind me. We ain't doing that. I might have to just sit and wait. Camera. Let's see how you do. Okay, he got it. Okay, keep going. Okay, one more time. Oh yeah, you can't turn around, huh? But nah, he got it. He there. Good job. I wish my trailer was that easy. Alright. We got it. It's a dump truck. Dump truck is flipped.
Yeah, it worked. Obviously, he's talking up. I know what to. How long they're going to keep us here?
Yeah, I wish somebody come talk to us.
Well, it's getting them to let us do it.
Go ahead, go talk to him. We're with you.
Yeah. Hey, they need to close the road back down there.
Exactly, that's what I said.
They'll arrest us.
That's pretty much what I
Shut the fuck up, get in your truck.
That's pretty much what it's going through. I'm not turning around right there. What happened?
That's him.
What he doing over there?
Who the hell knows? He gonna let us go.
Okay. All right, that'll work. There's a guy over there waiting. Must be his guy. They look like, damn, we'll be okay. What's up, humans? What it is, what it is, what it is. All right. We finally got out that traffic. We got out that traffic, y'all. It was a dump truck that turned over. They cleared the way for us. I dropped that trailer off. Now it's time to head home. It's about a 3.5 hour drive home. Know what I mean? We about to hit this road, y'all. Y'all ready? All right, cool. What's up, people? I forgot to record me backing in. All right, let me tell y'all something. That backing was a struggle today. Yeah, transparent. We being transparent today. It was a struggle today. Oh man, it was so much trucks in the way. It was awkward, but I made it in there. Then I forgot that I didn't drive to work. I had to get a ride. I had to call someone. My boy Josh came and picked me up. It'll be good though. I'm about to go pick up my truck right now. And appreciate y'all for watching. Make sure y'all subscribe. Make sure y'all like. Make sure y'all share it. What I just said. Make sure you subscribe, like, and what? Share. Oh yeah. Make sure you go to kingdombusiness.com. Go cop something. You need it in your life.